Crank it up. Thank you, man. Bunch of lumber here. Smells wonderful. Railroad fans, go home past. We know you like what you see. Come on, subscribe to the channel. What are you waiting for? Get those notifications. Stay on top of things. All right. Excellent. We have super like, super thanks. Come on, help us out. Throw us a bone. We need to keep it going here. We're going on the hole big time. So anything you can do to help us, that'd be great. We also have Patreon. There's some great Patreon members, and I'd love to have you on board. If that's a bit much, that's all good. We understand. Just subscribe to the channel and watch a lot of videos. Tell your friends. That's golden to us. Alright, there's Union Pacific, Southbound, Milepost 469-ish. Mojave subdivision of the Union Pacific line, Southern California. We love you guys, and we're going to catch you on the next one. Take care.